Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a resume builder. First, you need to clearly define the core functionalities your application will offer. Think about what makes a resume builder truly useful for job seekers. Next, outline the essential components for a user-friendly interface, ensuring it is intuitive and easy to navigate. Finally, consider the data storage and retrieval mechanisms that will securely handle all user information. Now, let's dive into the essential features and user interface design. You should implement clear sections for personal contact information, work experience, and education. A key feature is an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, allowing users to easily reorder sections. Additionally, offer a variety of professional templates, giving users flexibility to customize their resume's appearance. This enhances the user experience significantly. Moving on to the backend, data management is crucial. First, choose a suitable database for securely storing all user resume data. Then, develop a robust API for secure data submission and retrieval, ensuring smooth communication between the front-end and back-end. Implement strong validation for all input fields to maintain data integrity. Always prioritize data privacy and security measures to protect user information effectively. Finally, let's talk about deployment and advanced features. Select a reliable hosting platform to make your resume builder accessible to everyone. Integrate a PDF generation feature, allowing users to easily download their polished resumes. Consider adding analytics to track user engagement and understand feature usage patterns. For future growth, explore offering premium features, such as AI-powered content suggestions, to enhance the user experience even further.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.